Hello everyone. So today we'll be going through another tool in DevSecOps security. So which is SCA. SCA is software composition analysis. So it is a critical security practice in DevSecOps life cycle to involve, analyze, and monitor the open source or the third-party application or the component or the jars, which is used in the software application to uh, enhance their functionality or build on top of some functionality or just develop something. So all those may be exposed to security vulnerability as well as the licensing compliance issues. So SCA tool helps to scan the application dependencies, libraries and framework to check for vulnerabilities and ensure that they are up to date and there are no licensing issues. So since many software projects rely heavily on the third party code, it's essential to be aware of the potential risk they are associated with once we use the third party libraries or jars, which are or components which are associated with these applications. By incorporating SCA into the DevSecOps workflow, development teams or the application teams can proactively address security issues early in the development process, reducing the likelihood of security breaches and ensuring the overall security posture of the software product is good. It aligns with the principle of, again, with a shift left security. So once you have it in the pipeline, so it will be better because with every check-in you will be doing the SCA check part and fail the bills if required, and even you'll generate the report so that again this development or the application team doesn't need to go to infosec team again and again, and they can just download with every CI/CD or the pipeline build there. So some of the well-known SCA tools nowadays are Sneak and Access IQ.